Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 17th of December, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, JSW Energy is in the process of setting up 2 wind turbine blade manufacturing units in Gujarat and Karnataka. These units will be manufacturing wind turbine generators for JSW Energy as well as for its partner China's Sany Renewable Energy. The companies had entered into a technology licensing agreement last March to manufacture 3.6 megawatt turbines in India. It will cost approximately $50 million to start a factory to assemble between 400 and 500 wind turbines in a year. Qualitas Energy is in the final phase of exclusive negotiations to acquire Cubico, with a company enterprise value of more than $6 billion. If completed, the operation could be one of the largest in renewables in Europe in a long time and the largest in Spain in the history of the sector. Since its inception, it has achieved resources of $4.6 billion in successive funds. It is currently launching a sixth fund with an investment target of €3.25 billion. Poland is launching its first competitive offshore wind auction on Wednesday. It is a test that experts say could revive Europe's struggling sector as developers vie for long-term contracts after a string of failed tenders across the region. The auction offers developers 25-year contracts with fixed prices of $135 to $143 per megawatt hour. That is a level of support that contrasts sharply with recent European auctions, where low price caps and lack of infrastructure funding have deterred bidders. Wind power turbines installed in southern Germany act as a buffer for times when there is little output in the coastal northern state. Turbines installed in the southwestern state of Baden-Wurttemberg often have favorable wind conditions when the north sees little wind. Northern Germany is where the bulk of the country's installed capacity is located. Wind power installations in the state therefore would contribute to a secure power supply across Germany, particularly during times of doldrums in the north. Wind power is consolidating its position as one of the pillars of the energy and economic system in Spain, although it is going through a key moment marked by regulatory blockages that threaten its development. This renewable energy source is set to become the leading technology in the electricity mix. That comes with a production of 59.4 gigawatts and a coverage of 24% of demand. That is according to the macroeconomic study of the impact of the wind energy sector in Spain as of 2024. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.